Assalamu alaikum. This math for class 7 statement. See, A and B together can do a work in 16 days. B and C together can do work in 12 days. A and C together can do the work in 20 days. How much part of the work can be done by A and B in 4 days? A and B together can do in 16 days. Therefore, in 1 day can do 1 by 16 part. In 16 days, A and B together can do 1 part. Therefore, in 1 day, A and B together can do 1 by 16 part. In 4 days, A and B can do 1 by 16 multiply 4. Then if we divide 16 by 4, we will get 4. 1 by 4 part. Then the answer, A and B in 4 days can do 1 by 4 part of the work. Question B, how much part of the work can be done by A, B, C together in a day? In 1 day, A, B, C together, how much part can do? See, in the first statement given, A, B can do a work in 16 days. Therefore, in 1 day can do 1 by 16 part. B and C can do a work in 12 days. Therefore, in 1 day can do 1 by 12 part. A and C can do the work in 20 days. Therefore, AC in 1 day can do 1 by 20 part. Here A and A, twice A. Here B, twice B. Here C, twice C. 2 into A, B, C. Twice A, twice B, twice C. In 1 day can do 1 by 16 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 20. Then these are, we are getting LCM of 1 by 16, 1 by 20, this 240. LCM will be 240. 240 divided by 16 is 15. And 240 12 divided by 12 is 20. And 240 12 by 20 is 12. And 15 plus 20 plus 12 equal to 47. Therefore, twice A, B, C in 1 day can do 47 by 240 part. Therefore, 1 A, B, C. This twice A, B, C, this 1 A, B, C together in can do the work. 2 here is multiply and there 2 will be divide. 47 by 240 is multiply 2. Then 240 multiply 2. 480, 47 by 480 part. A, B, C together in 1 day can do 47 by 480 part. The question C, if A, B and C can do the work independently, how many days each of them need? If A, B work independently, separately, how many days need for A and how many days need for B and how many days need for C, you have to find out. In question we got A, B, C together in 1 day can do 47 by 480 part, and in the statement given B, C can do in 12 days, in 1 day can do 1 by 12 part. If B, C we subtract, we are getting A. A in 1 day can do 47 by 480 minus 1 by 12. LCM is 480. 480, this divided by 1, this 47. And if 480 12 by 8 divided by 12, we are getting 40. 41 is 40. The 47 minus 40 equals 7 by 40 part. A in 1 day can do 7 by 40 part. It means 7 by 40 part can do in 1 day. Therefore, a one part can do 480 will go up, 7 will come down. 7 by 480 part can do in one day, and one part can do 480 by 7 days. 480 divided by 7, 68 whole 4 by 7. We are getting 68. A can do the work alone in 68 whole 4 by 7 days. Again, A, B, C together in one day. As C can do the work in 20 days, in one day can do as C 1 by 20 part, and in one day A can do, we got here, A in one day can do 7 by 480 part. So 7 by 1 by 20 minus 7 by 480. A subtracted left C. C in one day can do 120 minus 7 by 480. LCM is 480 is divided by 20, 24, and here is 7. 24 minus 7, 17 by 480. C in one day can do 17 by 480 part. Therefore, C one part can do in 480 by 17 days. 480 divided by 17, here 480 divided by 17, we are getting 28 whole 4 by 17. 28 whole 4 by 17. C can do the work in 28 whole 4 by 17 days. Then next we got BC in one day can do 1 by 12 part, and C we got here C in one day can do 17 by 480. This C one day can do 17 by 480. Then we subtract C, left B. B in one day can do 1 by 12 minus 70 by 480, and LCM is 480. 480 divided by 12, we are getting 40, and 17, 23. B in one day can do 23 by 40 part. 23 by 40 part B can do in one day. Therefore, one part can do 480 divided 23. Now 480 divided 23, we are getting 20 or 20 by 23 days. Therefore, B one part can do in 20 whole 20 by 23 days. The answer. If A can do separately in 68 whole 4 by 7 days, C can do separately in 28 whole 4 by 17 days, and B can do separately the work in 20 whole 20 by 23 days. Thank you.